do this support here, even if my hand, all right, is stretching out to the on already, okay, stretching out here, you find that this is a straight line, no particular importance. Make sure that number one, all right, you are working on heart rate, so you are looking at time scale that is much bigger than this that you are looking at 5 milliseconds. If you see only 5 milliseconds or 5 microseconds for that state, please reduce that, and that is using the horizontal over here. And if I turn the horizontal, all right, in the correct direction, I will end up with bigger and bigger. All right, so right now I'm looking at the time scale here, that every square is 200 milliseconds, and in 1 second there will be 5 of them. 200 milliseconds, because you know in 1 second there will be 1000 milliseconds. So if you were to look very carefully at this going on here, you will really begin to see there are tiny little blips coming out. You have to make sure that when you are watching this, all right, your channel 1 that you are picking up the signal, if you are on DC, there will be a big gap between this. So if you amplify it, the result is that that waveform starts going higher and higher above your ground. But this one starts to become bigger. Can you notice that? It's bigger now. But if you want to amplify it some more, it starts to go above it, because this line is your 0 volt reference. This is your so-called x-axis. To get rid of that, you got to do this time round AC coupling. When you do AC coupling, immediately, all right, back to normal. You remove this DC offset so that we can look at. Now you can see all these things, all right. Now I can amplify it some more, but it's very difficult to find the signal. There's so much noise there. Where did all this noise comes from? A lot of it comes from the environment. The other thing is that because I keep talking and yabbling, there's a lot of electrical activity going all over me. And this is the part where I'm going to keep quiet, stop talking, and you watch me. I'm going to do certain things. One of the things I did was that I actually have an earth wire. I'm going to earth myself. I touch this earth wire. Can you see the effect when I touch the earth wire? I'm going to remove my finger from the earth wire. What is the effect? Why is it that when I touch that earth wire with my thumb, I cut down the noise level so much? I earth myself. But of course, my hand is not in a very good position. I now stretch it out again. I get better results. Watch this. See how I move my hands forward so that I don't have a very awkward position. I said get better results. This is even better results than previously. See how good the results are? Now I can now look at the. Now this is the part where the waveform, it is still noisy, but it's way alright, quieter than before. If I remove my thumb for it, then you can see how bad is the. Alright, these are called interference. If you earth yourself, so this is add-on. I add it on myself, okay, to earth it. Depending on how you earth yourself, you can actually reduce the noise level. The other thing to reduce the noise level, if you learn from your medical electronics, is to reduce the bandwidth. So make sure that your bandwidth limit is on. So this is bandwidth limit 20 megahertz. It's still very bad, broad bandwidth. You reduce it further by adding on circuits, and by the time I stop, okay, I'm going to show you